alarm didn't go off. I'm late. I have that meeting. Where are my keys? I can't find my keys. This is so stressful.
Alicia, that sounds like a very busy morning. And a question for our listeners. Does that situation feel familiar? What English words do you use when you feel that way? Welcome, everyone, to English Audio Lab. My name is Trevor.
And I'm Alicia. We're so glad you're here to practice with us. Today, we have a very useful topic, English for busy mornings.
That's right. We're talking about those rushed, sometimes stressful moments when you need to use English, but your brain is still waking up.
Exactly. We want to help you feel calm and confident even when you're in a hurry.
And be sure to stay with us because later in the episode, we'll teach you a very natural phrase native speakers use when they need to hurry. It might surprise you.
Ooh, I'm curious. And if you want to feel more confident with your English every day, make sure you subscribe to English Audio Lab. That way you won't miss our weekly lessons.
All right, let's start with a situation. Imagine a man named Mark. He works from home and he has a very important online meeting at 9 a.m.
Okay, I'm picturing it. Mark, important meeting.
But it's 8:55 and his internet is not working. The little light on his router is blinking red. He feels that panic starting to rise.
Oh no, that is the worst feeling, especially for an important meeting. And I bet he just spilled coffee on his shirt too.
Let's hope not. So Mark knows he needs to let his team know he'll be late. He picks up his phone and calls his colleague, Sarah. Let's listen to their conversation. I'll be Mark.
And I'll be Sarah.
Sarah, hi, it's Mark. I'm so sorry. I'm running a bit behind.
Hey Mark, no worries. Is everything okay?
My internet is down. I'm trying to fix it now. I might be about 10 minutes late.
Okay, thanks for the heads up. Do you want me to let the team know?
Yes, please. That would be a huge help. I'll join as soon as I can.
You got it. See you in a bit.
Okay. A short and simple conversation, but it was full of useful natural English. Let's break it down.
Yes, let's. The first thing Mark said was, I'm running a bit behind. What does that mean exactly?
Running behind is a very common and polite way to say I'm late. It sounds a little softer than just saying I'm late. A bit means a little, so I'm a little late.
That's really useful. So it's more professional?
Exactly. Next, he said, my internet is down. This is a great, simple phrase. It means my internet is not working. You can use this for many things. The power is down, the system is down.
Okay, simple and clear. I like that. Then Sarah said something interesting. Thanks for the heads up.
Yes, a heads up is an advance warning or a piece of information that helps you prepare for something. So Sarah's thanking Mark for letting her know about the problem before the meeting starts.
So if my friend is visiting and the traffic is bad, I could text them, just a heads up, traffic is really heavy.
Perfect example. Then Mark said that would be a huge help. He's saying that Sarah's offer to help is very valuable. It's a warm way to accept help.
A huge help. I like that. Okay, so if I want to say thank you for the warning, I can say thank you for head up.
That is so close. And this is a very common mistake, so it's a great one to practice. The phrase is always the heads up. We need the and the S sound at the end. Heads up.
The heads up. Okay, I will remember that. It's a fixed phrase.
It is. And finally, Sarah said, you got it. This is a very friendly, informal way to say, okay, I will do that, or no problem. Okay, that was a lot of great language. Now it's time to repeat and practice. We want these phrases to become automatic for you, so we'll say each one slowly, and we invite you to repeat it out loud. Ready?
Let's start. First, the slow version. I'm running a bit behind.
Good. Now at a natural speed. I'm running a bit behind. Next phrase. My internet is down.
Natural speed. My internet is down.
Okay, Alicia's practice phrase. Thanks for the heads up.
Natural speed. Thanks for the heads up.
Next one. That would be a huge help.
Natural speed? That would be a huge help.
And the last one. You got it.
Natural speed? You got it.
This kind of practice is so important for building muscle memory. If you're finding this useful, remember to subscribe to our channel. We do this in every single episode.
Okay, let's try a different situation. Still a busy morning, but this time it's about getting children ready for school.
A very common challenge for many parents around the world. Let's imagine a mother, Maria, and her young son, Leo. I'll be Leo this time.
And I'll be Maria. Here's the scene. Leo, we've got to go. We're going to be late.
But I can't find my shoe.
Oh, for goodness sake, it's right by the door. Come on, grab your backpack. We need to get a move on.
Okay, I'm coming.
I feel Maria's stress. There were some great phrases in there.
There were. Let's look at three of them. First, Maria said, "We've got to go." This is a very common natural way to say we have to go or we must go. Gotta is the casual pronunciation of got to.
We've got to go. Got it. Then she said, for goodness sake. It sounds a little bit dramatic.
It is. It's a mild expression of frustration or annoyance. It's polite. You can use it in most situations. It's like saying, "Oh, come on," or "Really?"
Okay, and what about that last one, the one you teased earlier? We need to get a move on.
That's the one. To get a move on is a very common idiom that simply means to hurry up or to go faster. It's friendly but also direct. You can say to your friends, "Come on, team, let's get a move on, or we'll miss the movie."
Now it's your turn to speak. We're going to do a little role play. This will help you use the language actively.
That's right. Imagine you are Maria. You are feeling rushed. I will be your son, Leo. When I speak, you will respond as Maria using the phrases we just learned. We'll leave a space for you to speak.
Ready? Let's try. Trevor will tell you what to say.
Okay, I'm going to complain. I will say, "But I can't find my shoe." Now you respond by saying, "Oh, for goodness sake." Go ahead.
Great job. Let's try another one. I'm going to say, can I play for 5 more minutes?
And you will say, "No, we need to get a move on." Your turn.
Excellent. Speaking the words out loud is the best way to build confidence.
That was great practice. Now let's explore one more common busy morning situation: commuting. That journey to work or school can be a source of a lot of stress and a need for some specific English phrases.
So, Trevor, all these phrases are great, but how can our listeners remember to use them in a real stressful morning?
That is a fantastic question. I have two simple tips. Tip one: don't wait for the stressful moment. Practice these phrases now when you are calm, just like we did. Say them out loud in your room, in your car, wherever you are.
That makes sense. Practice when there is no pressure. I could even put a sticky note on my coffee machine that says, we need to get a move on to remind me.
That is a perfect idea. And tip two is start with just one phrase. Don't try to remember everything at once. This week, just focus on one. For example, anytime you think, "I am late," try to say, "I'm running a bit behind" instead.
One phrase at a time. I can do that. That feels much more manageable.
All right, let's quickly review what we learned today to help it stick in your memory.
Okay, we learned a polite, professional way to say you're late, which is, I'm running a bit behind.
We learned how to thank someone for a warning by saying, "Thanks for the heads up."
And we learned a common natural way to tell someone to hurry up. We need to get a move on.
And most importantly, we learned that making small mistakes is a normal part of learning, right, Alicia?
Yes, it's the heads up, not head up. And now I'll never forget it.
You did a fantastic job today. Learning a language is a journey, and every time you listen and practice with us, you are taking another step forward.
That is so true. Please don't worry about being perfect. The goal is communication, not perfection. You are improving every day just by showing up.
Keep listening, keep speaking, and know that we are here to help you on your English journey.
Before you go, if you enjoyed this lesson and want more real life English practice, please subscribe to English Audio Lab. It really helps our channel and it means we can continue making these lessons for you. We would love to see you in the next episode.
Until next time, take care.
Bye for now.